Hello, boys and girls. Here we go. Volumes of Prisms Part 3. Okay. So now we're going to do prisms, with a trapezoidal base or a parallelogram base. Okay. So that is what we're going to do first. So copy this down. Part 3. So volume of a prism, we've been over this the past couple times, is the B times H. That capital B stands for the area of the base. Write that in. So we've done problems like this. This is a rectangular prism. In this case, it's a cube. So here's the base, the top and the bottom, right? So the base is 8 times 8. Do this with me. So that's area of the base, the bottom square, times the height, which is what? Oh yeah, 8. So 8 times 8 times 8, or 8 to the third power. Cube is side to the third power, right? So that'd be 8 times 8 times 8, which is 512. There we go. So 512 cubic feet. That's how much makes up this box right here. Cool. So we've been over that. Okay, now let's try this one. Triangular prism. Why is it triangular prism? Because it's got a triangle over here. It's got another triangle over here. I drew the two triangles, and then I connected the top, the right, and the left. That's how you draw it. So this is the top. And this is the back. So I'm gonna go off of this one. These are congruent, but this is where all the measurements are. So I'm gonna call this the base. This one right here in the front. So volume equals area of the base times the height, right? So the base is a triangle. What is the area of a triangle? Yeah, 1/2 base times height. And this is the height or the length of the prism. I'm gonna write that down because the heights are different. That's not the same height. This is the height of the prism, which is 4. Okay, this is the height of the triangle, which is 5 right here. So 1/2 base of the triangle, just the triangle here, is 3. Height of the triangle, which is 5. There we go. Times height of the prism, or length of the prism, which is 4. Cool. Alright, so this is 15, right? 15, half of 15 is 7.5 times 4. 7.5 times 4, 7.5 times 4. Oh, sorry. 7.5 times 4 is 30. There you go, 30. So the volume is 30 cubic centimeters. There we go. So that's what we do. So the volume is area of the base times the height. Area of the base times the height. Now, oh my goodness, check this out. Here we go. Example 1. Here's the new ish. So draw a trapezoid like this. How do you know it's a trapezoid? Because it has 2 parallel sides. Only these 2 parallel sides. These 2 are not parallel. If you extended them, they connect up here, right? So I draw one and another one that's congruent, a little bit lighter. Then I connected the corners. Okay? So volume equals area of the base times the height. There we go. Take good notes because you have to do this on your own right after I do it. Ready? Okay. Area of a trapezoid. The base is the trapezoid right here. This trapezoid. So, what is that? Oh yeah, 1/2 times the height, base 1 plus base 2. Remember that. Boom. So that is the area of a trapezoid. A trap, right there. Times the height of the whole thing, which is going to be 6. So I want to put 6 right in here so you don't confuse nothing. There you go, 6. Cool. All right, let's keep going. 1/2 times the height. What's the height of the trapezoid? Right here, right? 1.5. Ah! Broke the pencil. No worries. Base 1 plus base 2. So the bases are the parallel sides. Remember, a little note to yourself. Parallel sides. There you go. So the parallel sides are 4 and 2. 4 and 2. So it's going to be 4 plus 2. So this is the area of the trapezoid times the 6, which is the length or the height of the entire solid. Okay. 1/2 times 1.5, 4 plus 2 is 6. That's the area of the trapezoid times 6. Let's get our calculator out. Here we go. 1/2, I'm going to put 0.5 in my calculator. So 0.5, 1/2, same thing. Times 1.5 times 6. So this is the area of the trapezoid times 6 times another 6. And I get, boop, 27 cubic centimeters. Cool, there you go. All right, now let's try this one. This is a parallelogram. That's not a rectangle. So draw another parallelogram like this. Connect the corners. Da 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 da. Okay. So volume equals area of the base times the height, like that. So the base is a parallelogram. What's the area of a parallelogram? That is just base times height. Easy, easy, easy. Base times height. So the parallelogram, the base is obviously going to be 7. The height, where's the height? The height would be like here, right? It's not the diagonal. So they may have a number like 3 here. That ain't right. No, no, no. Someone's got to go here. Oh, here it is. It's in the back. Oh, it's hiding back here. So sometimes it's not as straightforward. There's 3. So this is 3. That's the height of the parallelogram in the back, which is the same as the height of the parallelogram in the front. So bring it here. Okay, 3 right there. Cool. So it's 7 times 3 is the area of this parallelogram. Base times height. Not the diagonal height, but the height from the parallel line to the parallel line, right? Times, the length or the height of the whole thing would be 4. Cool. So 7 times 3 is 21. Times 4 would be 84 cubic yards. Cool. All right, now, so you see what was going on. So take good notes. Make sure you have it. Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height, base 1 plus base 2. Area of parallelogram is just base times height. And then times the length or the base of the entire thing gets you the volume. All right, let's see what we got. Check it out. Boop. Here is one for you. Copy that down. Give it a shot. Those congruent marks should help you out. Ready, set, go. All right, here we go. So I'm going to draw it now. So we got this thing. So I'm going to draw a trapezoid. And then I'm going to draw like another trapezoid right here. Same thing. It doesn't got to be perfect. So a little lighter. Connect, 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 connect. There we go. So it says this was 7 meters, 6 meters, and 3 meters, right? 7 meters, 6 meters, and then 3 meters. Then it had What do these marks mean? Yeah, that means congruent. So that means this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Hello. Okay, it might not have had that before, but that's 3. Cool. Volume equals area of the base times the height. Follow me on this. Here we go. 1/2 times the height, base 1 plus base 2. The reason I know this is because I write it down so much. Make sure you're writing down everything. Charles, how are you going so fast? Well, I write it down, so I memorize the equations and I just plug in. Automatic times the height. Okay. So 1/2. What's the height of the trapezoid? Yeah, 7. It's over here, but that's the same thing as this, right? 7, 7. That's 7, 2. What are the two bases? 6 down here, and this would be, that's 3, 3, so this is the same thing, so that's 3. What's the height or the length of the trapezoid? Oh yeah, here. 3. Boom. Okay. 1/2 times 7, 6 plus 3 is 9 times 3. There we go. Cool. All right, let's keep it going. 1/2, I'll move 0.5 times 7 times 9 times 3. I get, ding ding, 94.5. There we go, 94.5. 94.5. 94.5 cubic meters. Got it. There we go. Okay, let's keep it going. Ready? Boom, do that one. What's the what's the volume of that? That's 2.5, by the way. 2.5, 2.8, 3.5, and 3. Go. Okay. Boop. Drawing it. 2.8. Sorry, 2.5 on the side. Meters. And 2.8. You see me right here. Drawing it. Make sure you draw it if you haven't drawn it. 3.5 and then 3. Cool. Okay. So, here's my picture. So volume equals area of the base times the height. So here is the base, this parallelogram. So this is the height right here. This 3 is the diagonal. That's 3. This is 3. So volume is base times the height. So the base is 2.8. The height is 2.5. Now let them fool me. This 3's got nothing to do with it. And then the height or length of the whole thing, this is just the area of the parallelogram, is going to be 3.5. So base times height of the parallelogram times the length of the whole thing. Area of the base times the height. This is area of the base, and that's the height. So now just crank it up in your calculator. So I got 2.8 times 2.5 times 3.5, and you get 24.5. There you go. 24.5. I think that's meters cubed. There you go. Nice job, everybody. Keep going to the practice.